Hello, everyone. Today, we will learn about a very important part of English grammar, the past tense. The past tense helps us talk about actions and events that already happened. Whether you're telling a story about what you did yesterday, describing your childhood, or sharing past experiences, understanding the past tense is key. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to form and use the simple past tense correctly, and you'll be able to talk about past events with confidence. Let's get started. The simple past tense is used to describe actions or events that started and finished in the past. It provides a way to talk about what happened at a specific time before now. Main uses of simple past tense. Completed actions in the past. Actions that happened at a definite time. Example, I finished my homework yesterday. She visited her grandparents last weekend. We watched a movie last night. He cooked dinner for his family. They traveled to Italy 2 years ago. Past habits or repeated actions. Actions that occurred regularly in the past. Example, when I was a child, I played outside every day. He always drank coffee in the morning. We used to go camping every summer. She often read books before bed. My parents often visited their friends on Sundays. Sequential events. Describe a series of past actions or events. Example, I woke up, brushed my teeth, and had breakfast. She packed her bag, said goodbye, and left the house. They arrived at the station, bought tickets, and boarded the train. He finished work, then went to the gym. We cooked dinner, set the table, and enjoyed our meal. Past facts or truths. Descriptions of things that were true in the past, like dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. The Great Wall of China is very long. Venus is hotter than Mercury. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th president of the United States. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. How to form the simple past. For regular verbs, just add ed at the end of the verb. Example, play becomes played. Jump becomes jumped. Watch becomes watched. For irregular verbs, the form changes in different ways and you just have to memorize them. Examples, go becomes went. Have becomes had. See becomes saw. Eat becomes ate. Speak becomes spoke. Take becomes took. Buy becomes bought. Run become ran. Making sentences. Positive. Subject plus verb in past. Example, I walked to school. She ran to the market. He swam at the pool yesterday. Negative. Subject plus did not or didn't plus verb in base form. Example, I did not walk to school. They did not work last week. She did not or didn't play tennis. Questions. Did plus subject plus verb in base form question mark. Example, did you walk to school? Did she drive to work? Did they come here yesterday? Just remember, add ed to regular verbs. Spelling rules for regular verbs. 1. Add ed. For most verbs, just add ed. Example, talk becomes talked. Jump becomes jumped, work becomes worked, play becomes played, listen becomes listened. Verb ending in E, just add D. Example, love becomes loved, dance becomes danced, save becomes saved, close becomes closed, bake becomes baked. Verb ending in Y after a consonant. Change Y to I and add ed. Example, carry becomes carried, study becomes studied, try becomes tried, hurry becomes hurried, marry becomes married. One-syllable verb ending in consonant plus vowel plus consonant, double the final consonant before adding ed. Example, stop becomes stopped, plan becomes planned, beg becomes begged, clip becomes clipped, hop becomes hopped. Examples in sentences. Affirmative, I watched a movie last night. She visited her grandmother yesterday. They studied hard for the exam. Negative, I didn't see him at the party. He did not buy the ticket. We did not go to the zoo. Questions. Did you work yesterday? Did she call you? Did they finish their homework? Summary. Use the past tense to talk about actions that are finished. Regular verbs add ed. Irregular verbs change in different ways. Remember the time expressions commonly used with past. Yesterday, last week, in 2010, ago, when I was a child. Simple past tense quiz. 1. Choose the correct past tense form. A. She play or played tennis yesterday. B. They go or went to the park last weekend. C. I buy or bought a new phone last month. Two. Fill in the blank with the correct past tense. A. He visit his grandparents last Sunday. B. We see a great movie yesterday. C. I clean my room this morning. Three. Are these sentences correct? If not, correct them. A. I goed to the store. B. She didn't saw the movie. C. They played football last Saturday. Four. Make questions using did. A. You see the new movie. B. She finish her homework. C. They go to the zoo. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English tips. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us create better content. See you next time.